friends, welcome to RV Academy. In my earlier video, I explained about labor cost and what are the various types of labor, direct labor, indirect labor, and how to remunerate the labor. Under remuneration of labor, we discussed about time rate system, piece rate system, Halsey plan, Rowan's plan, Merrick differential piece rate system, Taylor's differential piece rate system. Let me take some problems on this and work out. First I work out on the Halsey plan and Rowan's plan. You just look at this problem. Rate per hour is 1.50. Time allowed for a job is 20 hours. Time taken is 15 hours. Calculate the total earning of the worker under Halsey plan. Also find out effective rate of earning. Here they ask us to find out only one method, that is Halsey plan, but I do both Halsey and Rowan's plan. First, before we work out the answers, we have to calculate what is the number of hours an employee is saved the time. So to produce a commodity, standard time fixed by the organization is 20 hours, whereby the employee is completed that in 15 hours. Instead of 20 hours, it took only 15 hours to complete the job. He saved 5 hours of time. So time saved is 5 hours. So next we go for Halsey plan. According to Halsey plan, 50% of the time saved will be paid as a bonus. So bonus is equal to time saved into rate per hour into half. Time saved is 5 hours. Rate per hour is 1.50 into 50% of the actual remuneration will be paid. It comes to 3.75. This is bonus. Total earnings, how much he going to earn? Total earnings will be calculated. Time taken into rate per hour plus bonus. Time taken is 15 hours. Rate per hour is 1.50 plus bonus is 3.75. He gets 26 rupees 25 paise as a remuneration. Now, how the remuneration will be worked out on Rowan's plan? Let us see. Under Rowan's plan, bonus formula will get changed. Bonus is equals to time saved divided by standard time into time taken into rate per hour. Time saved is 5 hours. Standard time is 20 hours into time taken is 15 hours. Rate per hour is 1.50. 5.62 is the bonus. When you look at the Halsey plan, he gets bonus of 3.75, whereas in the Rowan plan, the bonus will be at higher rate 5.62. Total earning formula is same. Time taken into rate per hour plus bonus. Time taken is 15 hours into rate per hour 1.50 plus bonus. Instead of 3.75, we write 5.62 here. 5.62, he gets 28 rupees 12 paise. This is how we have to work out the problem under Halsey and Rowan plan. Let us see one more problem. Time allowed for a job is 30 hours at the rate of 100 per hour. Actual time saved by a worker is 6 hours. Calculate his earnings under Halsey system and Rowan system. In this case, time saved is given. We need to calculate time taken. First I write time allowed 30 hours. Time saved is given 6 hours. 30 minus 6 becomes 24 hours. That is time taken. This part is not given. We calculated. Time allowed 30. Time saved 6. 30 minus 6 comes to 24 hours. Means instead of taking 30 hours for a job, he completed in 24 hours. That means he saved time of 6 hours. Under Halsey plan, time saved into rate per hour into half. Time saved is 6 hours into rate per hour is 100 into 50% comes to 300 rupees. Total earnings, time taken into rate per hour plus bonus, 24 into 100 plus 300. Total earnings comes to 2700 under Halsey plan. Under Rowan's plan, formula, time for bonus, time saved divided by standard time into time taken into rate per hour. Time saved is 6 divided by standard time 30 into time taken 24 into rate per hour 100, 480 rupees. Total earnings comes to 24 into 100 plus 480 rupees. This bonus we have to consider 480 rupees. Total earnings comes to 2880. When compared to Halsey's plan, under Rowan's plan, the earnings will be more. This is about Halsey and Rowan's plan. In my next class, I will going to work out the Merritt differential piece rates and Taylor's differential piece rate system.